Okay, so just a quick video to talk through the last few steps that you need to do to set up this the panel company integration. So you almost have it finished. You have all that you've done so far correct. You have the screen outs all in here. You also have your completed response here as well. The one thing that we do need to set up, however, is a over quota branch. So you can include your over quota link. Now you might have actually done that. I just realized you might have actually set that up in quotas, and if that's the case, that's perfect. But let me just check it out. Customize. Yes, you do here. Okay, so the last thing we need to do then is we need to include the ID. We need to pass that back to the panel company so they can pick that up. So I'm assuming this is just a variable that's passed through in the links from your panel company. That's usually the case, and you're picking it up here. So we just need to pass it through to the panel company upon completion so they can see which people meet each criteria. So to do this, we just need to grab the piece of pipe text that displays the ID that the participants have brought in. So to do this, we can just click in anywhere basically in the survey. We can click into a question, but since we're in the survey flow, we might as well just click in here. Go to set a value now, click on the blue box and go to insert pipe text, and then we're piping from an embedded data field, and we're piping in the embedded data field that's called ID here, and just click insert. So this little piece of pipe text is all we're going to need. If you just copy that, we can remove it from here because we don't need it there. That was just to get that piece of code. Then what we need to do is we need to append this on to the end of all of the links you have set up in your survey. So if we click, for example, first of all into the completed one, what we need to do is just append onto the end of the link. We need to say ampersand ID equals, and then that piece of pipe text that tells the panel company what the person's ID is, and then click save, and then just do this for each of your links. So you do it for your complete, you do it for each of your screen outs, and then you also go and do it for your over quota links as well. And that is it. Now when the panel company tests the link, they will see that that ID is being passed back to them so they can identify which participants were screened out, which completed the survey, and which ones were over quota. So go ahead and make those changes, and if you do have any other questions on this, please just let me know, but aside from that, it all looks good.